GCSE English Literature AQA 8702, Paper 1. This is your Shakespeare and the 19th century novel, and you're allowed 1 hour 45 minutes, answering one question from A and one from B. Shakespeare and the 19th century novel. So section A, there's 34 marks, 4 of these including your AO4, and section B is 30 marks, and this is your 19th century novel. So the specification then for section A Shakespeare, you either do Macbeth, Romeo and Juliet, The Merchant of Venice, Much Ado About Nothing, or Julius Caesar. One question, 34 marks. Section B, 19th century novel, you would have studied one of these texts and you answer one question for 30 marks. So English Literature Paper 2, this is modern text and poetry. You answer one question from A, one from B and both from C. You have 2 hours 15 minutes. Paper 2, modern text and poetry. Section A, this is your modern prose or drama for 34 marks. Section B is your poetry for 30, and this is poems past, present, love and relationships, or power and conflict. And then section C, this is your unseen poetry, totaling 32 marks. So the AQA specification here on paper 2, section A, modern prose or drama. You select one of the texts that you've studied in school and answer question A for 34 marks. So section B, poetry, poems past and present, love and relationships, or power and conflict. One question, 30 marks. And in section C, your unseen poetry, answer both questions for 32 marks. Let's recap. Paper 1, Shakespeare and the 19th century novel, and then paper 2, modern text and poetry.